Me, aside from the float, I'm really looking forward dun sa float actually. Because the first one I did was in 2016. Vince, Kath, James. So I'm looking forward to that, but I'm also looking forward to watching all of the movies that's part of the anime.
Ako din, yung celebration ng puro Pinoy na pelikula yung papanood mo this Christmas. Tsaka excited nga din ako sa float. Gusto ko. Tagal ko na hindi nag-float.
For the leads, what made you accept itong pitch na to? What drew you to the script, to the story?
Ako kasi ang dami ko na nagawang rom-com pero ito kasi parang may pagka-sci-fi kasi nga may ability si Linlin na ma-predict kung ano yung madadala sa buhay. May ganun siya eh. So parang sabi ko, iba to. Kaya rom-com man siya, may ganun siyang aspeto kaya nagustuhan ko.
Ako feeling ko, pre-planned ng mag-reunion kami tatlo at talagang pinag-usapan na namin, and then I think we just waited till Direk would get inspired again and write a love story for both Kaloy and I. But more than anything, ang ganda ng touch na pagka-sulat ni Direk ng movie groups. And yeah, same with Kaloy. I think what makes it special is the fantasy aspect of it. I don't do much of it. Feeling ko yung pinaka-nagawa kong fantasies sa Once Upon a Time or yung Blogsy. But this one, Mirabella, oo nga pala. Yan na yan yung kulay mo.
Tama.
Yeah. But yeah, it's deep and it's very meaningful. So.
Okay, so Julia, you're on a roll ha, sinunod maganda. And ang galing nung sa trailer pa lang. So, since Metro Manila Film Festival, ready ka na rin ba lumaban kay Vilma at Juday? Siyempre, for Best Actress!
Of course!
O tingin nyo, direct na!
Ano naman?
May laban!
Kasi kaya ni Juju dito. Para ako yun di ba? Direct?
Oo.
You know what, I don't know, I'm not sure how to answer this question. Number one, sobra ko silang dalawang iniidolo. So even to mention my name beside theirs is medyo nakakadyahe siya. But I think this alone, this film making it to the MMFF on their 50th year and just being included is already such a great honor. So, ayun, like grateful naman ako with this alone.
And of course, best, would you say, ito yung isa sa best performances yet mo?
Sino, alin po?
Ikaw, you would say na ito ay isa sa best performances mo. You showed yung isa sa best performances mo.
I don't know, I don't think I should be the one answering
Si
this.
Direk.
Feeling ko naman in every project, we just always try to give it our best.